Hi guys, this is another video on AFD Trolls here. We haven't been doing one in a while because I've been trying to connect to AFD Trolls and it's been saying that there's like problems connected to the network and all that. So we're gonna do this one while I am. Okay. Doing it. Skibby! Oi! Oi! Say hello. Oi! Oi! Okay, this is my bike one anyway. It's my bike. I got this din. Scooter. Then you walk along. That's enough. Enough clip I spray painted. Ding 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 ding. This is my bike. X-rated. I'll put this on its bike lock. X-rated. And they're like grippy. Black brakes. And I've got a good seat. It's a stunt bike. It's got a cover here for the chain thingy. And you got stunt pegs. Both sides, and then we've got longer ones. And you got Skippy flare. And it's good. I don't know why the reflector's there, but oh well. Brakes, bell, red thingy, and then actually I do not kill the cat. I will murder him. Oh. Excuse me, Scooby. It's a gyro. It's a gyro indeed. Don't watch me. That's my bike. I can do stoppy. I can do the bunny hop like this high. Right there. That high. Not high. And I've done this trick in the air where I was riding on my bike off this ramp. I flipped right there. I was just riding, yeah. What I done, I slipped off. I was like this, my foot hooked on in the air, like that, and it done a 90. And I pulled it back, landed on the seat, landed like this, and I fell over. That's why, like there, so wrecked and scratched. And like Mm. Scooby. Boo. Ding 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 ding. That's my red sled. Right there. Courtney, wave. There she is, there's Courtney. She's watching telly. At top left. Anyway, that's it for now. We're going to be doing more videos. Anyway, yep. So. Okay. So. I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Subscribe, like, whatever. And enjoy my cat trying to hit a spider. See that? Where's he gone? Yes, there it is. See you next time. Scooby.